Hi, this is Neil from Crystal Dive Resort in beautiful Koh Tao, Thailand. The first skill we'll cover today is emergency weight drop. Okay guys, so emergency weight drop. You move to the right side of your student, take your right hand under the weight belt near their right hip. This makes your left hand available to use the air dump valve on the student's BCD. Deflate the BCD, and before the student's ears go below the water, remind them to drop their weight belt and pull free. Once they've unclasped and pulled the weight belt free, you still have control over the weight belt with your right hand to prevent any pull damage. Conduct the skill after doing the BCD oral inflation skill, so students can feel the difference that losing weight affects their buoyancy. Since they have mastered this skill, you can end the emergency weight drop skill with another oral inflation for greater student understanding. When demonstrating, use the certified assistant as the student. You are going to hold their weight belt to prevent damage to the confined area. Have the students on the surface with their masks and snorkels able to view the demonstration from above and below the water. The second skill we'll cover today is air management. Air management is a skill that is critical to get good mastery by being very specific with hand signals during the briefing. Having the students learn the signs for air management and practicing before doing the in-water skill gives them a good knowledge for this skill. Throughout the confined water dives, when the students are not mastering other skills, encourage them to ask their dive buddies how much air they have to build on this knowledge and promote good dive buddy practices. During confined water dives, when conducting skills where you have close contact with the student, for example in Confined 4 the hover, or Confined 5 the BCD unit removal and replace underwater, take advantage of this close contact to look at the student's gauge, and once these skills are finished, then ask the student how much air they have. If students indicate air supply incorrectly, more than 20 bar difference, ask the student to look at their air gauge and then reconduct this exercise during other close contact skills. During debriefing, remind students that they are allowed to look at their gauge when you take them for their open water dives. The third skill we'll cover today is alternate air source swim and ascent. For this skill, the instructor closes the tank, making sure that the student does not look at their air gauge. Once the student feels that their air is getting low or they are out of air, the student gives the instructor the out of air signal, and the instructor provides their alternate air source for the student. Once the student has secured the alternate air supply, the instructor can turn their air back on with their left hand. The instructor waits for the student to initiate signals and contact relating to the skill before commencing with the swim. The certified assistant should remain with the other students who are not currently conducting skills. Swim in a fashion that makes it comfortable for the student to maintain good contact and to keep the alternate in their mouth easily. Conduct the skill in water too deep to stand in so that you can complete the swim with a direct ascent and BCD oral inflation as previously learned. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you're ever planning to come and visit Koh Tao, come and see us. Visit us at crystaldive.com or search on Facebook for Crystal Dive Resort.